Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. How can IoT be beneficial to consumers? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron VINING, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Here's a great question. How can IoT be beneficial to customers? Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Here's a great question. We all know that it is crucial for business to explore IoT services. As customer experience is playing an extremely vital role for connected devices, how can IoT be beneficial to customers? All right, so how can IoT be beneficial to customers? Well, I would say that IoT, Internet of Things, is beneficial to customers in a number of ways. And if you watch another video on this channel about hyperconnected retail, I go into some of the nuances of that. What technology has enabled us to do, especially with our mobile devices, is engage seamlessly between the physical world and the virtual world. Utilizing, going back to old school things like offers, so things that are value centric, and they can come in the form of EDM, text messages, notifications, going a bit more high tech, going to things in the nature of augmented reality, utilizing VR technology, utilizing, let me go to the question there, going to IoT. As a brand experience marketer, there's so many different avenues that one can take with technology. We can utilize the mobile device that's already in the consumer's pocket, utilizing RFID, utilizing beacons, or utilizing Wi-Fi. We are able to hyper-target where the customer is on their particular journey. By doing so, we can make use of old school technology, email. We can make use of SMS. We can make use of push notifications. We can now use augmented reality. Augmented is getting a bit more sophisticated these days. We can also use VR. But the whole idea is when we're employing IoT into any type of space for customer engagement or for brand experience, what we're looking to do is we want it to be seamless. So we want the online and the offline to blend together so that it's not so difficult. The reason why actually I've always been a naysayer when it comes to virtual reality is the fact that I don't believe that the average consumer wants to put on a VR headset to engage. Yes, VR is fantastic and it's immersive. As experienced in Disney Lucasfilm's ILM X Lab Darth Vader Immortal Episode 1, The VR Experience. Unlike a roller coaster at Legoland, Malaysia. It was a traditional roller coaster. You would get on it and you would ride it. Well, they decided to ruin that experience by having guests put on a VR headset and then sit on the roller coaster. Why? I could just sit in a motion simulator if I wanted to do that. Did it heighten my experience? So you need to be smart when you are utilizing technology, and you want to make sure that it benefits. You don't use technology for technology's sake. Use technology only if it heightens the experience without taking away a different experience. So again, being on a roller coaster, one of the great things about it is using your own eyes and being able to determine what it is that you look at. I hope that example helps to illustrate that. As customer experience is playing an extremely vital role for connected devices, how can IoT be beneficial to customers? IoT can be beneficial to me in that I can receive real-time offers when I'm there in store, for example, or when I'm online, so that the system, the machine, the AI understands where I'm at and what I'm doing at that time and can predict what it is that I want before I've even stated that that's what I want. So if I'm looking to buy a particular item, it shows it to me. it sends me a notification and tells me that it's available. If prior history has shown that's something that's out of my price point, then perhaps I'm given a QR code that I can scan and receive a discount on. Or I receive an EDM with a certain dollar amount off. Or maybe it's a premium with purchase. While I love sales, as a marketer, you should never discount your product. So I would never reduce the price of my product, but maybe I would give you a value add if you decided to sign on and buy my product or service. So it's about utilizing technology seamlessly from the physical to the virtual to enhance the experience. Anything that IT, technology, your mobile device can do to enable that or to fulfill that. So maybe it's utilizing drones for delivery. It's using an algorithm to get your taxi to you sooner. It's Amazon being able to do same or next day fulfillment. Those are ways that IoT has certainly been benefiting the customer experience. Great question. Thank you. If you'd like me to answer a question here on Marketing Kitchen TV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.